friends, welcome to Apna Olympiad. So in today's video we have made rainbow using prism. So over here it is our prism and over there it is a torch which gives light out, and we have put a paper and cut some shapes which pass light into very thin form. And then over here we have put a screen, white screen, and here is our rainbow. So we can also make it at home. You can see over here that from here the light is going, and this is our prism put like this, and over here is our reflection. So when the light comes from here and then it goes here, and then due to some processes it passed and it splits into the visible spectrum of light. This is the rainbow. Over here we can see